Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain one of the foundational module of ITSM Service Catalog, which includes overview, catalog item types, benefits, and process. So let's start with overview. The ServiceNow ITSM Service Catalog is a centralized repository within the ServiceNow platform where user can browse, request, and manage IT services and resources. It serves as a user-friendly interface for accessing a wide range of IT services such as hardware, provisioning, software installations, account management, and other IT-related tasks. Here's an overview of key aspects of ServiceNow ITSM catalog, service catalog. User-friendly interface. The service catalog provides a user-friendly interface that allows user to browse and search for available IT services using intuitive categories, keywords, or filters. Users can easily find the services they need without the need for technical knowledge or assistance. Service offerings. The service catalog contains a comprehensive list of IT service offerings available within the organization. These offerings may include both standard and customized service tailored to meet the specific needs and requirements of different user groups or departments. Service descriptions. Each service in the catalog is accompanied by detailed description that outlines its features, benefits, eligibility criteria, and any associated costs or dependencies. This information helps user understand the purpose and scope of each service before requesting it. Request forms. Service catalog items typically include request forms that user can fill out to request the service. Request forms may include fields for specifying details such as service options, delivery preferences, required approvals, and any additional information needed to fulfill the request. Then catalog item types. Service catalog item represent individual offerings or requests that user can browse, request and fulfill through the service catalog. These items can range from IT related service to non-IT services depending on type of catalog. Then the first type is standard catalog item. A standard catalog item displays a form that users can fill in to create request, such as form to request an item or service. Standard catalog items make use of a request table and produce a request record. In addition, generated request items are linked with a workflow, a catalog task, and any related approvals. Using standard catalog items, users can add multiple items to a cart and generate a request for each requested item. Use a catalog item when you want the service catalog form to generate a request, complete with a workflow, approval, task, etc. Then record producer. A record producer is a specific type of catalog item that allows end user to create task-based records such as incident records from the service catalog. Use record producer to provide a better end user experience instead of using the regular task-based form for creating records. The look and feel of record producer is similar to that one of catalog item, but the record producer generates a task record such as incident instead of a requested item. You can create a record producer for tables and databases view that are in the same scope as the record producer. You can also create a record producer for tables that allow create access from applications in other scopes. Then order guide. An order guide is a collection of related catalog items grouped together to guide user through a series of steps or selection when making a request. It allows user to select multiple items or option within a guided workflow, helping them navigate complex service offerings or request processes. Order guides are commonly used for requesting bundled services, multi-step processes, or customizable service packages. Then content item. A content item represents informational content or resources that are made available to users through the service catalog. Unlike other catalog item types, content items do not involve requesting a service or initiating a process. Instead, they provide users with access to knowledge articles, FAQs, announcements, training materials, or other static content. Content items are valuable for supporting user self-service, providing guidance, and providing information. Then benefits. The service catalog in ServiceNow offers several benefits to organizations, IT departments, and end user. Here are some of the key benefits like improved service delivery, standardization, centralized access, and self-service. So improved service delivery. The service catalog streamlines the process of requesting and fulfilling services, making it easier for user to access the resources they need. This leads to faster service delivery and increased satisfaction among users. Then standardization. By defining and categorizing services within the service catalog, organization can standardize service offering and ensure consistency in how services are requested, delivered, and managed across the organization. Then centralized access. The service catalog provides a centralized repository for all available resources, making it easy for user to find and request services without having to search through multiple sources or contact different departments. Then self-service. The service catalog enables self-service capabilities, allowing user to browse, select, and request service on their own without the need for manual intervention from IT or service desk personnel. This empowers users to resolve their own issues and reduce the burden on IT staff. Then process. The service catalog process in ServiceNow typically involves several steps from defining service offerings to fulfilling user requests. So, service definition. The process begins with defining and cataloging the available services that user can request. Service offerings are categorized, described, and organized within service catalog based on their type, purpose, and target audience. Then service categorization and organization. Services are categorized and organized within the service catalog to make it easier for users to navigate and find the services they need. Categories and subcategories are defined based on the organizational structure and service catalog hierarchy. Then service description and detail. Each service offering in the catalog is accompanied by a detailed description that outlines its features, benefits, eligibility criteria, and any associated costs or dependencies. Additional details such as request forms, approval workflows, and SLAs may also be provided. Then request submission and approval. Users browse the service catalog to find the desired service and submit a request by filling out the corresponding request form. Request forms typically include fields specifying details such as service option, delivery preferences, required approval, and additional information needed to fulfill the request. Some service requests may require approval from designated approvers before they can be provisioned or fulfilled. ServiceNow allows organizations to configure customizable approval workflows to route requests to the appropriate stakeholders for review and approval. And service fulfillment and SLA. Once a service request is approved, it enters the fulfillment phase where the requested service is provisioned or delivered to the user. Service fulfillment may involve automated process, manual task, or interaction with external systems or vendors, depending on the nature of the service. Service catalog items may be associated with predefined SLA that specify the expected response and resolution times for fulfilling requests. SLAs help ensure that service requests are handled promptly and efficiently, meeting user expectations for service delivery. So that's all about the service catalog. Thank you.